I see him over there looking. That scratch been there, nigga.
Nigga, that scratch been there since last year when you did it without the thing.
A whole year later?
So it's invalid, right?
Pretty much.
Murder charges, there's no expiration on the murder charge.
Oh, he registered it right.
I don't smell too burnt.
Smells burnt?
I don't smell too burnt. Your drain plug is what side?
So what bike you gonna use? That's crazy.
Actually, the other side was better. Yeah. Actually, this side is better. Because you're going to tilt it on the kickstand the same way. Nah, you go. It's the last one. I'm done after this. I'm tired.
Why would the front tire say front use only?
Because a motherfucker done put it on the back, crashed, and probably tried to sue, and then they got to put that shit on there. Go get this thing.
You don't strip that bulk either, motherfucker.
Talking a lot of shit when I'm working on this bike. I'd be damn shame if a bolt go missing.
She get pulled out when you pull the oil out.
Yo.
No, they used to do oil change.
They?
Oh, nigga, I'm right here. We're watching the corner, motherfucker.
Oh, damn.
What?
That's, man, it's dirty. Ain't too bad though.
That's because, nigga, I keep telling y'all, every time I hit 200, the flux
Capacitor kick in, right?
I go fucking back in time.
My
Like, y'all
nigga
think
said.
this is a joke. Nigga, I went back in time and I told myself not to fuck with your mother. And you still here when I got back.
You can have that, nigga.
I
Give a fuck.
today, but I'm not.
That rag it. Yo, I told the nigga pedals. Oh shit, let me turn this off first. Yo.
Yeah, you heard that? Oh, you heard?
Sit it down.
Yo, boy, if that motherfucking GoPro didn't have a beep.
I can feel it. That shit feel like one piece. All the way up to my back.
You got a little bone.
She said a little bone.
You try to play me.
That shit's still pouring out now.
I'm like, you ain't got no ass. I ain't got nothing to sweatpants, but when we bump over, it's a whole lot back there. So much about.
Okay?
Try to play
It's
us.
a whole moon when you in this position.
Look, my mother said this to my mom one day. Whatever my ass is lacking, in between my legs is packing. Why you think I got these kids?
Okay? Okay.
My father was like, you know what? I ain't gonna lie about that, baby.
Your pops is a freak.
You said what?
Tasha said your pops a freak. Who that, the neighbor? Yeah.
No, that nigga
Jamaican
got his ankles out and everything.
You said what?
No, he's Jamaican, got his ankles out.
Nah, he Guyanese.
Yeah, he put up a
Same
fight.
thing,
That's
same
who
thing.
No, it's not.
Same thing.
My nigga said same
See,
thing.
I'm talking about the
Guyanese,
one piece.
Jamaican,
You ain't gotta knock over
Dominican,
nobody's
Puerto
bike.
Rican, same thing.
Them Puerto Ricans got it down pat. Dominicans too. Ow!
Right.
Like fucking roaches.
What?
Who you said what your Dominican toe?
Dominicans are like fucking roaches. Fuck.
You don't talk about your own nationality like that.
Yo, I'm from fucking Brooklyn.
It's in your blood. Stop it.
Nigga, it's in the blood clot.
It's in your mama.
I'm talking about my mother.
No,
It
not
was
your
my
mama.
mother time.
You gotta say, look, who you gotta tell, you gotta say it with your chest, with your mama. Say it with your chest.
In your mama.
Alright, sit it down. Let it drain for a little bit longer. Then you put the drain plug
Yeah,
in.
this shit drank for like an hour and a half.
I mean, I can leave it so you have dirty oil still in there. It's up to you.
That's not the engine. That's me with my drip.
The fuck is he talking about?
Hello?
Yo, where your drain plug at, son? The shit you drain the oil through. I leave it on this side? Nope.
The fuck? The fuck are you?
Wait.
Nigga, check the oil.
Is it inside?
Nah, it's
Is
not
it
in
back
there.
on the mother?
No, I cleaned it off.
Look behind you.
What is it? A silver piece?
It's a
It's a
bolt.
fucking screw.
It's right on top of the pizza box.
Oh yeah, so I left it. I know that's where it was. Nah, he playing y'all. Let him go. Alright, go ahead.
You see, he talked into the mic too. Like,
Straight to the camera.
Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got my person in the back.
Wait, that's that rap.
Yeah.
Can't nobody tell me nothing.
And that's how I'm gonna start the video.
Really?
What you did?
On and off. Let me talk about that story. You run from the top.
No, it was off. It was
What
off.
do you want to start the video with?
Right, fuck you laughing. You got a bike?
Bitch, you sold my bike.
I ain't
Pass me the drain plug,
Where you
Frank.
bike at?
my bike right there. Where your bike?
You sure? Right before you go to murder, you sure?
Remember the nigga knocked my bike over right before murder?
Oh, he was sick.
I was
He was sick.
vital.
Yo. He called me, he was like, yo, I can't breathe.
Yo.
The security guard came and got him. Sir, I think your
No. The security guard came. I think the nigga, I'm like, this nigga all on my dick because my bike on fire and shit. He was like, yo, that's your bike outside? I'm like, yeah. This nigga just knocked it over. Yo, I'm running in slow motion. I look out the window. That nigga was not joking. My bike laying there like, get down.
This nigga was like,
That's an R1. That's an R1.
this nigga said, not 3 weeks before rodeo, you think they gonna have my bike finished running?
Man, nigga was suicidal.
He riding all of a sudden he was started.
This
Like, I
nigga was
can't
right when
believe
the store was like, I need that done.
Ah,
He's
you
like,
go.
this won't be finished. I
You
need
go,
that
you go.
done. Yeah, you could do that. You
You
could
put
do
it
that.
down.
When I get back from rodeo, you could do the rest.
Yo,
Yo,
boy,
that
nigga
shit was crazy.
The niggas came with that check. I was like, yo, Pooh, I'm breaking the parts right now. No.
He was like, not fucking 3 weeks before murder. Hell no.
Let me get your oil, Frank. Yeah, let me get your oil.
I ain't got the oil.
Because they gotta sit outside, it's still leaking. Better keep your holes in check.
Let me get the 3. Is it 3?
Yo! What? Who snitched on you, Tosh?
Well,
He said you corrupt me.
facts. Facts, huh?
What about?
She was innocent when she came around.
I told him we read Bibles. I don't know what you're talking about. It's all
we got
because of
Christian
Christian
women.
You got oil on the
Okay.
on the pipe, so it's dripping. So I put it out there for now. We're gonna do the cooling after his oil change. He want me to put fuck out of here, son.
He don't like that shit. Cause what you gonna say? You Jamaican? That nigga look like what?
Yeah, we don't fuck with Guyanese either, son. That's like when you call a Dominican Puerto Rican or Puerto Rican Dominican.
Puerto Rican
Oh, when I
Man.
was inside the store, I was like, can I get some rice and peas?
No.
Who said don't say that shit? The girl looked at me. Can I get some peas and rice?
Rice and
She said
peas.
Rice and peas.
Rice and
Can I
peas.
get some peas and rice? She's like, she want to serve me.
She was about to hit Barry with that. Me don't have that. That's what she was about to hit Barry with.
Attitude. I was like, I don't want the fucking
You
food like
came
that.
there like you came there like you asked for some extra oxtail gravy. Move out of the way.
The one that served food didn't have no problem. She came, said, can I get some rice and peas? She said,
Yeah, she was like,
what? What? You know how that.
No,
Like, bitch, I want some curry chicken and rice.
that shit was good though,
Pooh
son.
was like, yo, it took Pooh. We literally drove the Ram down the block and came back.
Yo.
Pooh was going.
I went in the corner
He took
between
my
2
chicken
cars.
and-
I fucked that shit up, nigga.
Teeth all like,
Yo, I literally 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. Came back, Pooh was going. He said,
I
yo,
gotta
that
stop
shit
wearing
was
this
good.
shit. This shit is choking the fuck out of me. I can't breathe.
It'll help you though.
I don't think it's for like staying
Oh,
still,
it's
right?
your first day putting
No, I've been putting it on, but I actually work out, so.
Hey,
I know, I put the hooks tighter, because there's 3 hooks like on the bra.
so you in the second one.
Yo, yes, I'm recording. Yes. Yes.
it on. All you want to hear is 3 hooks.
Bro, I looked at the
You
stuff
just
and
said on the bra, like a bra. You want to hear 3
That's how you
hooks,
gonna cut
my
it
bra.
up. Bra.
but I'm starting with him dancing though.
Can't nobody. You gotta play this though. You can't even play the song.
Yeah, copyright.
That nigga be crying. I'll get an email. You cannot do that. I can't make $6.
Shit, I gotta pay for fucking Q gas the whole Myrtle. I need as much money as possible, nigga. And watch Q wanna ride everywhere too. You wanna stay home today, Q? I'm paying for the gas, this whole
No,
shit.
because I wasn't thinking about you.
All right.
I'll wait. You home
That
alone.
nigga excited, son.
I can't.
Fucking believable,
I'm
bro.
doing something.
¿Qué tú haces en la casa sola?
Shit.
The breakdown.
Around a bunch of cocolos.
You can start it, friend.
You're not gonna go down, open the door to nothing, man. You just had surgery. What's wrong with you, bro?
It's gonna get loud in here, B. Mm-hmm. Alright, let me give it a key. Front door, apartment door.
Apartment door.
This front door right here, apartment door. And use Raven bathroom, the first one. I didn't clean mine yet. The first bathroom.
When we started this shit, it sounded the same.
I mean, it's almost the same pipe.